Welcome to another kit build. This is a small, very small kit. It's got like a little bug sort of shape. I've not opened it yet, so let's just quickly open it and have a look inside. Okay, so we've got some LEDs. Oh, and the the resistors are stuck to the plastic when they've vacuum sealed it. There we go. So we've got a battery holder. We've got a transistor there. We've got two LEDs, three resistors, four resistors, and a circuit board. Right, so a closer look at the circuit board. It's a very simple circuit, this, but I love the black circuit board. It's great. So on the other side here, we've got the two places for the LEDs. We've got a 47k resistor there, two 220 resistors here. That's where the transistor goes. And I'm guessing here is where the power goes. We've got a ground there and we've got a VCC there, so that's where the power goes. So I wonder what goes on the back here. What does that to do with, oh I see, so that goes, so that's where the battery goes. The battery goes on the back here like so. So that holds that on there. The transistor goes there. The LEDs go on the front here. Okay. Right, well, let's build it and see what happens. I've just spotted, actually it must have pinged off out of the way, so there's a light sensor here. So that must have pinged off. So that must be what goes on the back here. So I'm ready to build it. So what I'm going to do something a little bit different. We've only got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 components on this circuit board to do. So I'm going to do it in one shot. I will fast forward so you don't see me doing everything. Sorry about the bird tweeting in the background. But one thing I will just double check is the resistors. So let's just bring the resistors over here. Like so. So this one by itself, let's just have a quick look at this. So I'm guessing this is the 47k. There we go, zoom out so you can see it. Yep, 46, that's okay. So I'm just going to put that to one side. Grab one of these. Now there's 3 of these. We only need 2 of them. So let's just have a double check on this one. Dum. Yep, 220, so that's okay. Let's put that back with that side. And the only other thing I want to double check is which way around the LEDs go on the board, because there's no markings on the actual board itself. So for that I need my multimeter. One multimeter found, and I've put it in continuity mode here. So let's just show that. Okay, so one of these will be directly connected, either the ground or the plus. So let's just check the ground first off. Sorry, the wires are in the way. Let's just, sorry about this, it's just untangle my wires. Right, let's try that again. So on the ground, nothing on there. On the plus, okay. Right, so the that one and that one's connected directly to +2, so we know which way the LED will now go round. Okay, we're all set. I've got my solder here, I've got my soldering iron warmed up, I've got my magnifying glass, I've got my glasses on, I've got 7 components to install, so let's get on with them now. I better just tell you which way around the battery holder goes, because there's no indication on the battery holder which way around is which. The battery is just one of these little CR2032 coin batteries, and the bigger side of it and the edges is the plus and the bottom is the ground. So in that case then this part here is connected to the ground and the top part here is connected to the plus, which means that on the circuit board it goes on like this. So the plus end is the head end and the ground is the tail end. So we can put that on there and then we can solder that up. I'm just looking, the ground end is just, and I mean just, poking through the board there. Yeah, it is there, but it's because of the soldering underneath. Let's just see if we can just nibble some of those a bit closer to the board. Right, see if that helps a bit. A little bit, it is there. Right, I think I'll solder the plus on first. Yeah, the ground is there, but it's only just poking through, but we should be all right. He says when it will actually solder, because it's not soldering at the minute. There we go, that's great. Okay, so that's now on. Yeah, it's just the soldering underneath is just pushing that up a little bit, but that should be okay. Right, let's get the battery. Now, this shouldn't light up because it's got the sensor on it. Okay, so that's now in. So, as I said, there's no lights coming on because of that sensor. So, in theory, yeah, there we go. So, as soon as I put my finger over the light sensor, they come on. Okay, so there you go, it works. So my little bug that comes on in the dark is working well. Hope you enjoyed that. Very quick fix, quick build, bit of fun. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, please give me a thumbs up. Catch you again soon.